I mean, this is a really special event. Lowell has a long history of families that just always want to come back and visit. We have multi-generation families that come back to Lowell. So we are super excited.
If you went to Lowell, you bled green, right? It's always been a special place with special kids, special parents, special staff. We finally have a building that matches that special quality that's always been here.
But the character is still here, so you still feel like you see the building as it was a long time ago, like in the old hallway with the green tile on the wall.
My name is Marcus Clayton. I'm the Chief Operations Officer here in MSD of Warren Township. And I want to formally welcome everyone to the Lowell Grand Reopening Night.
So we're the pride of the East Side. We want to look like it and we want to represent it. And we want the best for our students.